All right, mean absolute deviation, also known as MAD, M-A-D. So just how to do it. So we're going to consider this set of data: 100, 106, 180, 41, 161, 292, 116, and 213. The first thing we're going to do is calculate the mean. I have already put this in my calculator. I put it under list 1. I went to one variable statistics. I kept hitting enter until I got some information, and right there is my mean. It's 151.1, and we're going to average it to 3, or round it to 3, 151.13. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the data set as the difference between the mean. All that's telling you to do is take your mean and subtract each piece of data. So I'm going to quit out of there, and I'm going to take 151.13 minus 100. I'm going to write that number down. 51.13. Then I'm going to take 151.13 and I'm going to subtract 106. I'm going to write that number down. 45.13. 151.13 minus 180. And I'm going to write down the positive version of it. It's really, technically, you're taking the absolute value of it, but if you just always remember, write down the positive numbers. 151.13 minus 41. 110.13. 151.13 minus 161. Negative 9.87. There's not a shortcut. 292, so you just have to work it out each time. Negative 140, we're not doing negatives, I just said that, 0.87. 151.13 minus 116, 35.13. 151.13 minus 213, 61.87. Okay, so now you have a new data list. I'm going to go put that, I'm going to clear it by clicking data twice. I'm going to put the new data list in my calculator. 0.87, 110.13, 9.87, 140.87, 35.13, 61.87, and I'm going to go and I'm going to second hit the data again. My one variable statistics, and I'm going to get the mean of that, 60.37. Okay, that is the mean of the new set of data. That's it. 60.37 is the average of this. That is your mean absolute deviation. So you're going to take the absolute value of the difference between each data piece and the mean. So I took the mean, subtracted each piece of data, made them all positive, and average the new list. Okay? The MAD determines the variability of the set of data. So the higher the MAD, the higher the variability. So which set above? Well, there's only one set above. So that's what we're going to do, right? That's the only one we're going to do. So scratch that question. All right. So some examples. So we're going to take this right here. I'm going to plug it in the calculator real quick. So I'm going to go to data, hit data again to clear that list. And I'm going to do 64, 68, 71, 77, 81, 82, 86, 88, 93, 93, 95, and 97. So I got my data. I'm going to calculate the mean. And the mean is 82.92. Okay, while we're at it, it wants the median, so I'm just going to scroll down. Median is 84. It wants the mode. I'm going to look here and see that 93 repeats itself. Now it wants the mean absolute deviation. So I'm going to quit out of that. I'm going to take my 82.92 and subtract off each piece of data. So 18.92. 82.92 minus 68, 14.92, 82.92 minus 71, 11.92, 82.92 minus 77, 5.92, 82.92 minus 81, 1.92, 82.92 minus 86, 3.08, 82.92 minus 88, 5.08, 82.92 minus 93, 10.08, that's a comma, 10.08, I'm going to do that twice. It's going to be 12.08, I just added 2 to it. And then 2 more to that, 14.08. Plug this in, this new list in, and figure out my mean.